Hey everybody, I am going to do a double flip and drag on a taped MDF board. So let's see, let's get you a little closer. There we go. So my plan is to use Grumbacher Prussian Blue and Liquitex Basic Prism Violet. I'm going to pour the white in here, and then while it's taped up, I'm going to put these colors in. And then I can move it around a whole bunch and kind of get it, putting the tape around it will contain it. So I really want this spread out, so not as much negative space. And then I want to go back in and do a flip and drag with vermilion and yellow. So we will see if it works. I am not using silicone, none at all, because I kind of want like a softer look. And these are all mixed with Floetrol and water. And I just mixed up a new batch of white, and that is the Dutch Boy. And then this is a piece of MDF. I get cut, somebody at work cuts for me. Oh, the back is not really taped up well. Oh well. So there's that. And I have primed it and sanded it with gesso. And I just mixed up more white, and sometimes when I do that, I am not always spot on with the consistency, so sometimes I have to make last minute adjustments. The pour I did previous to this, the white was a little thin. It still worked just fine. It just means more work on my part touching up the sides. Oh, and this looks just right. And yeah. So I'm just going to tilt that all the way around. Oh, it's so nice. It's a new paint jug. A new thing of Floetrol. So it's so nice and smooth and milky. Alrighty, so I've got the violet and the Grumbacher. And the Grumbacher has a little bit of the iridescent medium in it. So I don't really know how this will turn out. So I think I'll just do 4 layers. Sometimes purple and yellow don't play well together, oftentimes, and orange, so, but I'm determined. Okay, so I'm just gonna give it a little up, and maybe I'll just, so I kind of want, ooh, check that out, no silicone. But look at all these cells. They are a different kind of cell than one would get with silicone. They're smaller, but still cells nonetheless. And I'm not too concerned about, this is why I have it taped off, so I can tilt all the way and keep that paint on there, because I want an all over. I'm hoping that I didn't just take you completely out of the camera. That is really pretty. I'm like, do I really want to go in and, wow, maybe I don't want to go in with the other colors. It's prettier than I imagined. So look at all this, the different colors on here. This is 2 colors and 0 silicone. And look at all that. Oh, it did that yucky selling up thing though because of the white was thick, which, let's see, get it all there. All right. There we go. Let's get that icky part off of there. Tilting that off. There we go. I kind of don't want to ruin it, but I really want to see what would happen if I added those 2 other colors. Touching up the sides. I just had a huge thing of paper. Let me go grab my paper towels. Oh, I may end up leaving this. I'm not sure. Because wow, this is really, really beautiful. So maybe I will leave this and then try the exact same thing on another board. Because this is gorgeous. And I think I would hate myself if I lost it. Of course, I am an idiot right there, but I forgot that there is color all throughout this. So maybe if I, there we go. Now it's, I think I'm gonna have to leave this. It's so pretty. There's still quite a bit of paint on it, but I don't want to tilt it too much. I can't believe this is just 2 colors. I'm leaving it. It's too pretty not to. I don't want to ruin it. I'm getting wise in my old age. So I'll zoom in a little bit. So yeah, 2 colors, no silicone. Crazy. So thank you so much for watching. I can't believe how short a video this is because I intended to do a lot more, but it just turned out too nice. I will catch you all next time. Bye.